So today we will see how to install undetectable InstaBot. So basically you have a README on the GitHub and I will show you. So here you have the way to install for Windows. So you need basically to clone the repository, or you can download by clicking here. You can also click here and download the zip to have the source code of the GitHub, and you can use it. So we will click here and you see you have a download. For my part, the download is on the home menu of Windows. You can extract it. You have here, and you have all these files. So for Windows, you just need to click on install.bat. As you can see here, install.bat, and the software will install every requirement of Python to use the bot, and for later use you can use run.bat basically, but we will do it for Mac OS X and Linux to see with command line how to do it. So you can also download the source code, but you need to install requirements for Python manually. So you can copy paste this command. You need to open a terminal in the folder of the bot, and as you can see you have my path to my folders with the bot, and you just need to paste the command and you can install it. So my package is already installed, so it's really quick, but you just need to wait to have the installation. So when it finishes, to start the bot, you just need to python run.py. So be careful to use the main directory of the bot, and here you can just run python run.py. It makes sometimes, but it launches. Okay, nice. So we will try it. So I know what I need to set to run. So here we are on my on one of my Instagram profiles, and you can see these tags for likes and for comments. So you can set the threshold, and the threshold for like will define the accuracy to see this button. So I use some image recognition. So if the software see some things with less threshold, it make a misclick, and this is the same thing for the comment. For this part, I think we are good, so we can go further. For the comment list, the bot will parameterize and randomize comment writing, and as you can see you have comment and emoji, and also empty if you don't want to comment something. But here we will use comment and emoji. Comment and emoji are here, and you can use your own things. So for comment, you just need to have a list of words like this, and for emoji, this is the same things. You see? If you want to put other files, you can. If you want to put comment and another file with text, it's okay, and it works. You can start the bot with this button, pause with this button, and the pause don't reinitialize the bot, but the button stop will reset all the bot. And you have also debug function to see what the bot detect and like and or comment. but also during the detection and settings the detection for like and debug. And you have also a button to open the debug folders that will create after the first run. So we will start it. You have a little bit time to put your mouse on Instagram, because if you don't do that, the bot can't scroll the Instagram page. So you see, it detects everything, calculate, and after this, he put a like, and now I think he will put a comment. And okay, nice. We can go. So he go down because he don't find section to like and comment, and okay, nice, he finds the second one and he publish. Okay, nice, everything is perfect. You can pause if you don't want maybe these pictures. Okay, we will go here, and now just start, put the mouse on the Instagram page. Okay, perfect. The bot is already settings, so it do this more quickly. But if you push the button stop, he will reset everything. And that's all. Okay, so we will see how to use and how to understand also detection and detect settings. So we will push this stuff. The bot is stopped. So we will starting, and this is just a progress bar to have the time to put here. So you see, in the command line we can see a debug and a path to the image files. So we will see after this. So he try, he will find the comment. Okay, nice. And he will go back and go down. Okay, nice. Up, stop bot. Nice. So for the debug, you can open debug folder and you have a tons of image. So we have just generate image for comment detection. So you need to understand how I wrote the files. You have comment threshold, like threshold also, and you have also detection comment and detection like. Detection is during the settings of the scales to see which part is the good part to comment or to like. And as you can see the green rectangles. This is the point. This is where the bot try to fit with the image to comment. So this one is really not good, and as you can see, the max value is 0.46. But if you go further, you will see the comment. Maybe. Okay, this one. 0.5 and my threshold 0.5 and my threshold is 0.49. So basically it will comment every section with a threshold above 0.49. And you can have different scales. Another point also, as you can see, you have comment 1 and also comment 2. Comment 1 in the folder of the bot is the way I detect comment and like. So you have different patterns if you want to test it in the code. For comment 1 and like 1, it's for it's always the light patterns and off Instagrams, and the dark patterns is with comment dark, the number 2 for the debug comment, as you can see. This is other stuff I try, but nothing works really well. And I think this is all. I don't have another things to say. Oh yeah, if you want, with comment without detection or just like, not here, you see every hit by the bot where it push. So maybe it can be interesting. So, and you can see also the max value, the scale used, and the time. Okay. So that's all. Thank you.